All right, so here's the example 4. Now, this one is probably going to be the easiest one of all the examples. Number 1 was kind of easy. Number 2 was not that bad, I don't think. But then 3, that was a lot of work there, some work. And then 4 now is going to be the easiest. Now, with this part, with 4, one thing you have to make sure you not measure, but you actually write down is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, come on, Ben. 6. I don't know why it's not writing there, but 5. You know that. Right. Now, with this, you need to still do the circle, the degrees or radians. But with this problem, because it doesn't tell you which one it is, whether it's degrees or radians, you can do either one. So with this one, on your homework, when you get your homework, I want you to go ahead and put down whichever one, degrees or radians, around here. On the note, on the example, I'm not going to, but in your on your homework, I want you to put those around there. Now here, all you do for r equals 3 is just take this whole part that is 3 and just darken it in. And that satisfies everything that's right here. So that means for this one, it's r theta is the actual answer, but that theta could be anything. It could be r pi over 3. It could be r 180 degrees. It could be anything because it's just that concentric circle right there for 3. So it could be either one of these. So the valid answer would be this one here. So that's your equation. Well, not the equation, but that's your ordered pair that works for every point on this circle. And now here, and because I really didn't say it, the direction said to graph each polar equation. And so here, r equals 3 is an equation, and it's just that circle. The other one is they give you theta equals 3 pi over 4 for b. Now here you will have to make sure you put this the angles down there, because if you don't, then you'll be messed up and you'll just get it wrong. So here, let's go ahead and put the angles on here really quickly. And it shouldn't take you long. Hopefully you're flying through it. 2 pi over 3. 3 pi over 4, sorry, 5 pi over 6. Pi, 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2, so on and so forth. You know these values. I'm just doing them really quickly so we can make sure we can get this problem done quickly. And it's not new. And because it's not new, that's why I'm not going to spend time on it. All right, so we have 2 pi here and 0 radians again, either way. Now here it says the degree that is 3 pi over 4. Now with this one, 3 pi over 4 is right here. So you have that part. But remember, if your r is negative, you have to back it up, right? So that it comes on this side. So we're not going to just say it's this side over here. We're going to say it's both sides. Because you can draw an r or make an r that's negative that will bring it on this side. So here, we would say it's r 3 pi over 4 for it. But your r could be a negative r, it could be a positive r. So you could have a positive 2 pi over, positive 2 for the r, let's try it again. We can have 2 and then 3 pi over 4. But we also could have negative 2 and have 7 pi over 4. No, sorry. Nope. Take that back. No, it's negative 2, and then it would still be 3 pi over 4. My fault. Because you just back it up, and it would go over there on that side. Oh, sorry. Okay, so 3 pi over 4. Just one sec. Sorry. All right, so each one of those will work there. So again, with everything that's here, the important part is 3 pi over 4 stays there, and then this part will be here. So it could be that whole line each time. Be that whole line. All right. There we go. There you go.